Hello and welcome to Freestyle Friday. Today's tip is called chest breathing. See, beginners tend to turn their heads too far and it causes all sorts of problems, as we saw on episode 1 of Freestyle Friday. But advanced swimmers don't use their neck muscles to take a breath, and that is the secret. So, if you do use your neck to breathe, try this. Picture a mouth on your chest that needs to take a breath. In reality, you will not have to rotate that much for a normal freestyle swimming breath. But remember that while doing these exercises, it is helpful to exaggerate, and then go back and tone it down while swimming. So, exaggerate the rotation, and without moving your neck, rotate until your chest is out of the water and take a breath there. You can pause your arms while doing this. Then, go back to a normal freestyle and try rotating your chest to breathe instead of your neck. Before you go, help us by clicking that like button. Here are more videos that could be of interest to you. Thanks for watching. Swim fast!